So let's talk about the requirements you have to meet for Marketing Cloud Connect. The first requirement is that Marketing Cloud Connect requires a relationship between a single Marketing Cloud account and a Salesforce CRM org. The second requirement is that we have to have 4 custom tabs available in our Salesforce org. The third requirement is that we have the correct version of a Salesforce CRM org. Those versions include Salesforce Unlimited, Enterprise, or Performance Editions, or a Developer Edition Sandbox. In the next video, I'll show you how to find out which version you're using. The fourth requirement is that users need a Marketing Cloud license and a Salesforce CRM license. And the fifth requirement, which isn't really a requirement, it's just a piece of information you need to know, and that is that Marketing Cloud Connect works best in Salesforce Classic. If you use Lightning for certain functionalities, you're going to automatically be redirected to Salesforce Classic when you click on specific settings. Now that we know Marketing Cloud Connect requirements, let's learn how to find out which version of Salesforce we're using.